Hey, welcome back to the channel. I got a little bonus video for you guys. We're going to be installing a new Haloview camera. Yes, you heard right. I know if you watch the channel, you've seen us install a new camera system on our Class A motorhome a few weeks ago. We installed the side marker cameras, and I installed what should have been the rear camera on the front as a front camera. That's been working out great. I really do like that, and we have been able to use that front camera a couple times in tight spots, and it has helped out in order seeing where our front end is at. Well, now they've sent us a new camera system, and this camera system is solar powered. Supposedly you don't have to do any drilling, and it comes with a little solar panel that powers the backup camera, which is powered by an internal battery. So we're going to install that today, and now we will have a 360-degree view of Haloview cameras on our Class A motorhome. This is the Haloview Byte Tango system, the BT7 Solar. And I don't think it's going to take me long to install this at all. And one thing that's nice, the previous camera system they sent us was the 6-inch screen. This is going to be the 7-inch screen, so I will replace the screen inside the RV with this one. I'll have to repair up the cameras that we installed a few weeks ago to this new monitor, but that should be easy enough. Go ahead and open up the box here and see everything that comes in here. Okay, so we got the new monitor, bigger monitor. That's nice. These are going to be the mounts. This is going to be the mount for the camera, and this will be the mount for the solar. We got antennas, we got new suction mounts and everything for monitor unit inside the RV, which probably can use the one I'm already using. We got some instructions. Here is the camera. It's got a little weight to it. It's a little beefy because there is a battery built into this, and it looks like it's already 100% charged right now. And then we have the solar panel. And then we have the usual stuff. This is a plug-in to charge the camera if you say just wanted to charge it and not put the solar panel on. Charge it up when it dies. Some more cabling. And then you got your 2 different plug-ins for the monitor inside the RV. And these are the adhesion promoter. Everything you need to basically get up there, clean and prep that area to mount these on top of your RV. We're going to do that right now. So right now I'm just kind of figuring out where I want to mount the solar panel. I think I'm going to mount it basically right here behind this bathroom vent, because it is held down by a magnet, and it is supposed to go this direction so the wind kind of goes over it and hopefully doesn't catch it and rip it loose. So I'm thinking if I mount it here, this is going to cause the wind to go up and over. It's going to be much more protected here. Then I'm going to mount the camera plate right up here with the camera looking down this way. So I just need to clean this area real good so those mounts will stick. All right, so I think I found the position that I want to mount the camera. I went inside and I double checked it on the monitor to make sure that this was a good location for it. And then, so basically the camera's going to sit right here. Let me go ahead and clean this area with the wet wipe that they provide. I'm just going to clean this whole area, even though it's only going to go right here. Make sure I got a big enough area there cleaned. Now the dry wipe. Okay. Now it says to take one of these adhesion promoters. It says to tear open the package, take out the adhesion promoter, wipe the position to be pasted, and wait for a few seconds. After that, you can paste stuff to the surface. Press firmly after pasting. So that is where the mount for the camera will end up going. All right, this is another kind of wipey thing here. Wiping this all down. This is Okay. It says just to wait a few seconds. After that, paste it. Well, here goes nothing. To me, it's hard to believe that this little tape here is going to be able to hold this down, driving in the wind and everything, but well, I guess that's what it was made for. So we're going to find out. If I can get the backing peeled off here. It says to hold pressure on it. All right. That one's on there. Now for the solar panel. Repeat the same process. Now it says you're not supposed to put the camera on there for 12 to 24 hours, so I won't install it until tomorrow. But let's see where we want to put the plate. So the plate, I'm going to say, is going to probably sit right about there. So we'll clean this whole area right here. Now I'm a little more concerned with this area because this is not a flat surface. This is fiberglass, and it is it's got some texture to it. It was quite dirty. Now the dry wipe, kind of make sure it's pretty clean. And now the adhesive promoter here. All right. All right, here we go. Press down and hold. Now I don't reckon it's going to matter if I go ahead and install this stuff now because I'm not driving down the road. So I don't see that it's going to matter to wait the 12 to 24 hours. I want to go ahead and kind of connect it up here. And just see if we got it placed good. And I'm not sure just where I want to angle that camera until we actually have it out where I can see the Bronco behind there. That's all there is to it. Now, I will probably end up putting some silicone on this wire or some lap sealant just so it doesn't flop around in the wind. Other than that, it's on there, and the solar panel is on there. And I do think, like I said, I think the wind going over this will help, deflect some of the wind as it's traveling down the road at 65, 70 miles an hour. Well, let's go look at the screen on the inside and see what kind of view we got. Well, it looks like a good view so far. It's got the backup lines. It is showing me up here in the corner there how much battery there is. Right now it's saying it's connected to solar. That's cool. All right, so that was a pretty easy installation. I will update you guys as we head out to the Florida Keys tomorrow, and we're going to be driving for 7 or 8 hours at least, maybe more. That'll be a good test for it. I'm looking forward to having everything on that one monitor now and being able to use my original display, the radio system that come in the RV, just for like navigation. And I love the fact that you can record, like works as a dash cam basically. So we're going to have all 4 sides covered on the RV now. That is going to wrap up the installation portion of this video for the Haloview Byte Tango 7 Solar. We'll update you on the road. So after installing the Byte Tango Solar, we actually took our trip to the Florida Keys. And I got to say that having all 4 cameras in some heavy traffic down around Miami was very, very useful. We actually hit construction where we went down to 1 lane twice. And having that camera on the back end, along with those side cameras that we had from the previous install, really helped in aiding us to get over when some people will not let you in, especially when they don't want to be behind what they consider like a RV or a big rig and they think it's going to be slow. So that really helped out. One other thing with this camera being that it's on a magnetic mount back there, I mean, if you wanted to go up, take it off, you could move that thing around and use it wherever you want once you're at the campsite. So if you wanted to put it by the door and have basically a security cam by your door, or if you wanted to like put it down somewhere on a picnic table and keep an eye on your, say, your bikes that are locked up outside or what have you, your gear. With it being magnetic like that, you can basically move this thing around wherever you want, you know. And then once you're ready to hit the road again, stick it back up on the magnet and hit the road and have your rear view camera. If you are looking for a nice backup camera that is super easy to install, I mean, it doesn't get much easier than this. This is, I would highly recommend the Haloview Byte Tango 7 Solar. It is awesome. Maybe takes 10 minutes, 10-15 minutes to install. Really, you need no tools for the job. So the only thing I had to use was a pair of tweezers to get the backing off of one of the 3M tapes, and that was it. We will leave links down below. We will also have a special code right now where you can order this directly from Haloview and receive a special discount. Okay guys, so that's going to do it for this video of installing the Byte Tango 7 solar powered camera. We will keep updating you as we go along, and we will see you in our next adventure video, which should be from the Florida Keys. So we'll see you then.